Hi besties, good morning, good afternoon and good evening, depending on where and when you're watching me from. This is your girl Esther and I'm back with another banger. So on today's episode, I'm going to be telling you how I make my chicken broccoli sauce. It's something you really need to try. It's so nourishing, it's so fulfilling. The good thing is that you can actually have it with different kinds of things. You can have it with your white rice, can have it just alone on its own. This is all about vegetables and chicken. So guys, I'm going to be listing for you today the ingredients I use to prepare my chicken broccoli sauce. First, I've got my salt, I've got my curry powder, garlic granules, onion granules, grounded ginger, corn flour, soy sauce, seasoning cubes, mixed spices, parsley leaf, chopped onions, ginger, pepper, and garlic. Then I have my broccoli, I have my carrots, I have my bell pepper. You can actually look at this, take a look at these ingredients because I've just listed it here on my caption. Okay, so on a pot, I added my water and allow it to boil a bit. Yeah, once it's heated, I'm going to add in my what? This is my broccoli. Yes, I'm not trying to cook my broccoli, I'm just trying to do what? Steamer it and make it steam a bit. After adding my broccoli, I added my carrots. This is my carrots. Yeah. The next thing I added was my salt. Yes. Then I added my salt a little bit and stir them together, everything together. After stirring everything together, I allowed it to what? Cook for 10 minutes. I'm not going to allow this to overcook. I'm just steaming it, making sure everything tastes nice and come out good. Yes. And after steaming for 10 minutes, this is it and it's ready. I just sieved out the water and my broccoli and carrot is ready for me. Keep it aside. In a pan, I'm going to add my oil. This is my vegetable oil to my pan. Then the next thing I added was my chicken. Yeah, this is my chicken. As you can see, I stirred my chicken and make sure it's turned round in the pot. I added my curry powder, added my onion granules. This is my onion granules. Anything I add, I turn it. This is my ground ginger. This is my garlic granules. Yeah, I add to my taste. This is my chicken seasoning. I like to use all these to prep my chicken. And then this is my Knorr cube. I just like using only one with every other sauce to do what? To prep my chicken and make it tasty, come out nice, come out juicy. Yeah, you're going to see that my chicken is going to release its juice and everything is going to be combined together. So the next thing I added was my mixed spices. Yes, I like the taste of that rich that the mixed spices gives to my food. Yeah, this is my chicken. You can see the juice is coming out now. Yeah, so the next thing I added was my parsley leaf. Yeah, this is me adding my parsley leaf to my chicken sauce and I stir everything, combine it together, and then I allowed it to fry. Yes, I added again my scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, I didn't add everything. I added my ginger. I added this is my ginger and my garlic. I try to combine everything together. I like the taste that ginger and garlic gives to my food. Especially my chicken. Yeah, so this is me trying to combine everything together and allow the chicken to bring out its juice so that everything can what? Join together. Yes. So you can see the juice is coming out now. I allow this to fry and until it turns a bit what? Fry. Yeah. Then the next thing I added was my bell pepper. Yeah. This is me trying to combine my bell pepper and my chicken so that everything can come together. The taste, honestly, at this point in time, the aroma in my kitchen was something else. Yeah. So you can see my chicken and my bell pepper, everything is all ready. So I had to finish the hot bonnet pepper, the my onion, the ginger and the garlic. Yeah, this is all vegetables. Yes, this is how I enjoy making my chicken and broccoli sauce. So this is me combining everything together. You can see. Can you see that? So I added my bit of salt. I didn't put salt in my chicken, so I just added a bit of salt to everything. I had to change the pot because this frying pan, was not going to contain everything. Remember, I've not added my broccoli and my carrot yet. So I just changed to another pot. And here is me adding my broccoli and my carrots. Yeah, this is just a very simple, quick meal that you make and it's so rich, it's delicious, it's fulfilling. See me stirring everything to get combined to each other. So everything is going to align, everything is going to combine. Here I added my soy sauce. Yeah, just a little bit of it. Yeah, because this is actually very tasty, guys. And the next thing I added was my corn flour. Yeah, how I do my corn flour, I try to put the spoon, how many spoons I wanted. So this is me adding 2 spoons of corn flour to a plate. I added water and then I turned everything together and then poured it directly to my chicken and broccoli sauce. Yeah, so it's not going to come out very thick. It's not going to come out very light. As you can see, I combined everything together. Can you see that? There was no water in my chicken and broccoli sauce. Yeah, but I just added a little bit just to make it, so you can see my chicken and broccoli sauce is not overcooked. Everything is just looking nice and juicy. Yeah, everything just looking nice and juicy. That is it. So your chicken and broccoli sauce is ready. You can eat this alone on its own. You can have it with white rice. Can you see that? You see that? Yeah. So just give it a try, prepare it. Honestly, the taste was something else. The taste was on another level. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Give it a try, my darling ones. I love you all. Still your one and only Lolo Obiede. See you next time. Bye.